In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Teams black screen issue. Now, if you've ever encountered this frustrating problem, I know how disruptive it can be, especially when you're trying to connect for important meetings or collaborations. So let's dive right in and get your teams up and running smoothly again with these solutions. First, we're going to start by restarting Microsoft Teams. It's a simple step, but can often resolve minor glitches that might be causing the black screen. If you're using a Windows computer, take a look at the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click on the Teams icon and select Quit. If you're on a Mac instead, head over to the dock, right-click on the Teams app and hit Quit. Once you've done that, go ahead and reopen Microsoft Teams to see if it loads properly. If restarting doesn't solve the issue, our next step is to disable GPU hardware acceleration. Open Microsoft Teams and click on your profile picture. From there, navigate to Settings. Then head over to the General section. Look for the option that says Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration and ensure it is unchecked. If it was already off, you can try toggling it anyway, as this might reset any existing configurations that are causing issues. Once you've made this change, don't forget to restart Teams to see if this resolves the problem. Another crucial step is to ensure that your Teams app and graphics drivers are up to date. To check for updates within Teams, click on your profile picture again and choose Check for Updates. This ensures that you're running the latest version, which might have fixes for known issues. Also, make sure that your system's graphics drivers are the latest ones available. These can typically be updated through your computer's device manager or directly from the manufacturer's website if you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics. Finally, if you're still facing issues, it might be necessary to reinstall Microsoft Teams. Begin by uninstalling the app from your computer. To make sure no leftover files are lingering and causing problems, delete any cache folders related to Teams. This step helps in avoiding corrupted files during the new installation. Then, download the latest version of Microsoft Teams directly from the official site. Reinstall the app and try logging in again to see if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps carefully, you should be well on your way to solving the Microsoft Teams black screen problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. If this guide was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.